CES has always been a showcase of ambition, but CES 2026 marked a clear turning point. This year was not about flashy prototypes or speculative concepts. It was about deployment. The technologies unveiled are no longer experiments. They are systems ready to shape daily life, industry, and human behavior. What makes CES 2026 remarkable is not any single device. It's the convergence of artificial intelligence, physical hardware, and real-world autonomy. The future is no longer digital only. It has form, motion, perception, and agency. Let's break down the most jaw-dropping technologies you probably didn't expect, and more importantly, why they matter. One of the most significant shifts at CES 2026 was the emergence of physical AI, intelligent systems embedded into machines that interact with the real world. We saw robots that don't just follow commands but understand environments. These machines use multimodal AI, vision, depth sensing, audio interpretation, and contextual reasoning. They can navigate homes, warehouses, hospitals, and public spaces with minimal human oversight. This is not robotics as novelty. This is robotics as labor infrastructure. What's groundbreaking here is the intelligence layer. These systems are trained on real-world physics, not just text or images. They learn cause and effect. They adapt. They recover from mistakes. The implication is profound. AI is no longer something you talk to. It's something that moves, decides, and acts. Foldable displays have been promised for years, but CES 2026 delivered a quiet breakthrough. Crease-free, ultra-thin folding screens that feel indistinguishable from solid glass. These panels use new polymer substrates combined with micro-hinge engineering and AI-driven stress distribution. The result is durability without distortion. Why does this matter? Because this technology is not limited to phones. It enables rollable tablets, fold-out laptops, adaptive automotive dashboards, wearable productivity displays. This is the foundation for devices that change shape based on context. Screens that adapt to how you work, not the other way around. For the first time, smart glasses crossed an invisible line at CES 2026. They no longer look like tech experiments. These glasses are lightweight, fashionable, and unobtrusive. But inside, they house powerful AI assistants capable of real-time translation, contextual overlays, object recognition, memory recall, navigation without a phone. What's important is not the hardware. It's the interface shift. Information is no longer pulled from a screen. It's layered onto reality. This represents the early stage of spatial computing going mainstream, where digital intelligence lives alongside human perception. Another unexpected trend was the maturity of AI emotional companions. Not as toys, but as cognitive tools. These systems combine effective computing, voice modeling, facial recognition, and behavioral learning. They are designed to recognize emotional states, respond empathetically, and adjust interactions over time. In healthcare and elder care, these AI companions are being positioned as cognitive support tools, loneliness mitigation systems, early detection mechanisms for mental and emotional decline. This raises ethical questions, but also solves real problems at scale. CES 2026 made it clear. Emotional AI is no longer theoretical. It's operational. Autonomy was everywhere at CES 2026, but not in the loud, speculative way of past years. Instead, we saw autonomous delivery robots already deployed in cities, AI-managed energy grids inside smart homes, self-optimizing manufacturing lines, vehicles with AI co-pilots that predict risk, not just react to it. The theme was invisible autonomy. Systems that operate in the background, optimizing efficiency without demanding attention. This is a critical shift. The future of AI is not constant interaction. It's seamless support. Perhaps the most overlooked but transformative trend was the move toward edge AI, intelligence running directly on devices rather than in distant data centers. Thanks to new AI-optimized chips, devices can now process data locally, respond instantly, preserve privacy, operate offline. This changes everything from healthcare wearables to industrial sensors. Edge AI reduces latency, lowers costs, and decentralizes intelligence. It's a foundational change that enables the rest of what we saw at CES 2026. CES 2026 wasn't about gadgets, it was about systems. AI is no longer confined to software platforms. It's embedded in physical reality. It observes, learns, predicts, and acts, often without us noticing. The most jaw-dropping aspect of CES 2026 is this: the future didn't arrive loudly. It arrived quietly, fully formed, and ready to scale, and that's what makes it truly disruptive. If this is the direction technology is heading, and CES 2026 suggests it is, then the next decade won't be defined by smarter screens, but by smarter environments. This is not science fiction anymore. This is infrastructure, and it's already here.